Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, welcome. So what I'm currently about to do is reinstall some pieces into my client hair. I did do a sew-in on her, well, a partial sew-in, and that was about a month and a half ago. So I'm just going to refresh her sew-in, add some more pieces, and bring it back to life. So let's get into today's video. Roll the intro. All right, you guys. So I want to start off by saying happy fall. We are in a new season of this year. I enjoy the fall. To me, it's the best time of the year, and it could be because I am a fall baby. My birthday is October the 4th, so it's coming up, and I will be 35. So I'm so excited and ready for my birthday. Yeah, so I'm so excited. I can't wait. But anywho, I want to get back into the video. So what I'm currently doing is installing some pieces back into my client's hair. Like I highlighted previously before, she did get her sew-in done a month and a half ago. Now she is my texture release client. I did do a texture release on her probably under 2 months ago, and her curl pattern is still there, so you would see her curl pattern as you move on into the video. Now, since she has had her texture release, she has had her hair straightened, I believe, yeah, 4 times. We have straightened her hair 4 times, and I want you guys to still see how her curl pattern is still there. So with her, she's not more concerned about her curl pattern, but I wanted to highlight that because I know it is some people that is interested in getting a texture release, and I will put that video in here for you guys to dive in and check out the texture release series so you could get more information about it and see if it's something you're interested in. But those that already know about it, that have been interested in getting it but want to understand and know how their texture would be down the road. Like I said, my client, she have had her hair straightened 4 times within the 2 months that she had the texture release, and you guys will see her curl pattern is still there. So I wanted just to bring that to you guys' attention so it can help you with making the decision down the road. 10:30 later than drop them drawers. I know what you are. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it in. Alright, so as you guys can see, like I said, you do see the two textures where her hair is still curly, and then also the other pieces is her actual pieces that was installed. Of course, that is straight hair. So as you can see, her texture is still there, and like I said, she did straighten her hair 4 times within the last 2 months with the texture release service, and her curl pattern is still there.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
With you tonight is on an island. It's about time for waking up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So I come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If you have this place on earth, I'll take you there. I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. If you have this place on earth.
All right, so what I did was I placed my client under the hooded dryer for 25 minutes. And the reason why I did that was because I wanted to make sure her braids was dry. You do not want to let your clients leave with wet braids because that will create mildew to the hair, and that is not good for the hair. So you want to make sure the hair is completely dry 100% when you reinstall the sew-in. So yeah, make sure you put them under the hooded dryer to make sure those braids are dry. So I kind of want to piggyback off of what I was saying earlier in the video when I was talking about the texture release and how many times my client straightened her hair. And that was her personal decision. And I'm not telling anyone to straighten their hair and how many times you should straighten your hair. I just wanted to give you guys that information just for your own knowledge. Now, personally, me, I did the texture release on myself as well, but I didn't straighten my hair as often as my client did because I was more concerned about my curl pattern. So if you are someone like me, then yeah, I didn't straighten my hair that much. I straightened my hair with my texture release, I want to say at the max, maybe 3 times within 3 months. So once every month. And my curl pattern, nothing happened to my curl pattern. It didn't change it. It didn't do anything at all to my curl pattern. And the same thing with hers, and she did hers more often. But I'm just saying, if you are concerned about your curl pattern and that's more of a thing for you, that matters more to you, then I wouldn't straighten my hair as often as I said my client did. But pick whichever one you want and do whatever you please. But I just wanted to give you guys that information.
Bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Nigga turn them in about the cabbage. And it's all family if you run up with the package. I just put a pack on the way to Bogota. Fuck his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw. I'ma watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole team. Undercover trying to do his thing. 10 mil on a bike, won't stick them in a team. Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Hey. Cold gang with the cocaine. The more money make more rain. Going up a pan while I'm back in propane. Point blank range, give a nigga nose range. Skip to my loo with the pack and the cat. Jiffy, Lou with the bricks, where they at? Drippin', booze, the paddock all wet. Birds in the truck, they ain't leaving at the nest. Get pie face set like milk. Yup, running with the pack, got slipped. Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, took a couple routes. Flush mama house, Hermes and Philly couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock him out, but then I throw him out the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle. Sack him, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Pap him, chop a bite down like an apple. Match it with the acres, with the horses in the cattle. Like the narco, got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Damn, Zeus, you too cold, bruh. What you doing?
Bad bitch, and she do what I say so. Big 40s in a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Order a buffalo, not a blueberry fago. False gold, and we straight to the source shit. 2 small pins just to take you out real quick. 3 more hoes, pull up, I'm fucking shit. That's how it goes. Baby, I'm coming straight. Bad bitch, and she do what I say so. Big 40s in a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Order a buffalo, not a blueberry fago. False gold, and we straight to the source shit. 2 small pins just to take you out real quick. 3 more hoes, pull up, I'm fucking shit. That's how it goes. Baby, I'm coming straight. I'm on my knees, yeah. We some rock stars, and I'm on my knees, yeah. Can't walk hard, this not my dick, little bitch, my Glock hard. Straight to the cash. I'm a shot star, straight to the bag.
All right, you guys, so we're coming to the end of today's video. I want to thank you so much for watching my videos. Also, I want to let you guys know all products and anything I use in any of my videos, all that information will be left in the description down below for you guys to purchase it. And also what will be in the description, I will put the texture release series. I do have a playlist, so I will put that information in there for you guys. And I will put booking information. If you're located in Houston, Texas, and you would like to book your appointment with me, I will be happy to do your hair. Then make sure you go down in the description down below to hit the link to book your next appointment. And what I currently did with my client today was to refresh her sew-in. So this will last her about another 2 weeks, and then she will be taking down her sew-in. I always highly suggest to my client, when you get something done like a sew-in or braids or anything, this is just my suggestion. After 2 months, then please take it down and deal with your hair to keep your hair healthy. But thank you guys so much. And remember to drink your water for healthy hair, skin, and nails. And I will talk to you guys next time. Bye bye.